Hey, how's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more YouTube subscribers in 2020. I'm going to show you one simple thing that you can do, almost like a hack, to get more YouTube subscribers, guys. If you are new to my channel, again, my name is Jonathan with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to grow on YouTube, because if you can grow on YouTube, you can grow your affiliate marketing business. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So I'm going to go into my analytics. I'm going to show you what we're going to do, okay? So this is if you already have a channel and you're trying to grow your subscribers right now, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the overview in the analytics, and we're going to go to see more, okay? And there's a few things that I want you to look at, okay? You can really gain subscribers, guys. I've done this before, and I'm going to show you proof on how I gained a ton of subscribers doing this, okay? So first of all, let's just rank this by subscribers, okay? So we're gonna see which videos got more subscribers, okay? So like our all-time subscriber list, okay? So we're gonna go to the last, let's just say 90 days, okay? And in here, it's gonna show us which video produced the most subscribers on our channel, okay? So right now, my TikTok marketing strategy right now has gained me the most subscribers in the last 90 days, okay? So that's cool. So based on that, we're going to go to the actual analytics on that video, okay? And I'm going to show you what we're going to look at here. So if we look at this video just in particular, we're going to look at a few different things on, okay, why did this video do so well on my channel, and how can we replicate this again? How could we make another video similar to this, even provide more value, kind of redo this video, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to reach, okay, because this is how people found our video, okay? So right now you can see here that mostly YouTube search and then also suggested videos, okay? But right now I mostly want to talk about the YouTube search, and I'll show you why, okay? So if we go to see more under the reach tab, okay, and then if we go to since uploaded, we're going to see our source, or our traffic source, okay? So if we go to traffic source in here, we're going to see some pretty cool stuff, okay? So if we go to YouTube search, okay, this is this is how people found the video, right? There's YouTube search, there's suggested video, browse features, and this is all good data. But what we want to do in this particular video is go to YouTube search, okay? So this is going to give me some really good data on this particular video, okay? So you can see here that most of my views came from TikTok marketing strategy, TikTok marketing, TikTok for business, okay? I'm just talking about this video. You can do this. This works for any channel, okay? This is my highest performing in the last 90 days. So what we do now is we can create another video. So we can say, let's just say TikTok marketing strategy, and we can basically, either do a part 2 of this video. But what I'm saying is this is proven to do very well on your channel. Obviously, you could even use, how to use TikTok for business, right? So what's cool about having this data is these keywords are actually ranking on your channel. They're proven to rank, meaning you can make another video with these type of keywords and you're gonna rank, okay? So for example, what I mean by ranking is you're showing up on the first page of Google, okay? So if I go to details here, I have a tool called TubeBuddy and vidIQ, which tells me which keywords are ranking or which tags are ranking. You can see here a lot of these are on the first page. TikTok marketing tips is number 4, TikTok marketing strategies number 4. So I'm ranking fairly high for these keywords. Now, what you got to understand is it's really hard to get a video ranked. So if you can do it again on another video, it's going to be really easy, because YouTube already knows that this video is proven. So, the low-hanging fruit to get the most subscribers is to remake this video again. Now you can make it better. You can make like a part 2. You can add more to it. You can do whatever you want. But what I'm saying is you use the same keywords to remake this video. Okay, so for example, if we go to analytics, you can see right away that this video has gained a ton of subscribers. So it's really cool, okay? So let's go back to a different video. I want to show you proof that I did this already, okay? So this is going to be kind of funny, but I actually did if we go to my very first video, okay, which is kind of embarrassing. The thumbnail was horrible. So if we go to, okay, let me go sort by oldest. Okay, so we're going to see a video that I made like back in May 2019. This was like my very first video. I don't know, right here. Okay, so how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Obviously, it's a horrible video as far as the thumbnail, stuff like that. Okay, this is my very first video. I'm not sure why this Fortnite video is in here. I was messing with stuff before this channel, so don't worry about this. This is not part of this channel, okay? So this video here, okay, that was my very first video, but it was my most successful video, you know, for the first like 3 months. So what I did is I pretty much did the exact same strategy that I'm showing you now. I looked at which keywords ranked, okay? Now, I remade this video, and I'm going to show you proof of that here in a second, okay? Let me see if I can find it. Right here, okay? So I remade this video, okay? So this one was made October 22nd, 2019. Today is February 14th, Valentine's Day. So I actually remade this video, okay? So like I said, the very first video I ever made on YouTube was this video here, okay? How to make money on YouTube without making videos. Okay, so it did very well on my channel. Obviously 780 views, my very first video. That's pretty good for, you know, for a first video, right? So knowing that, I went to that data and I knew exactly which keywords did well, you know, how people found it. So you can see here, now this video I remade, okay? Now you can see here that now this video is starting to take off, okay? So YouTube's starting to suggest my videos. It's showing up in search. If we go to details, we can look at the actual analytics in here. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, you can see here I'm ranking actually #1 for make money on YouTube without creating videos, which is a pretty highly searched term, right? So what I'm saying is now, you know, knowing that, I can even do that again. So I can even remake this video a third time, because obviously you're always going to make your videos better and better, right? Like I hate the thumbnail on it. And like what I'm saying, let me go to this actual video here. So we go to the analytics. So if I were to actually make this video again, we can look at some very key analytics here. Okay, so again, we go to the video and then we go to reach. And then basically inside of here, oh yeah, so we go to see more. So we're going to go to the, this is where we're getting the traffic from, right? This is very important to know. And then you always have to switch this usually to since uploaded, or else it won't give you the data you want, okay? So once you hit that, now we can go to traffic source, okay? So once we go to traffic source, we can see exactly where people are finding our stuff. So, you know, YouTube search, browse, but in this case, YouTube search, let's see here. And now we can know exactly, okay, make money on YouTube without creating videos, okay? So that we can use that, or how to make money on YouTube without making videos. That is a good, so guys, this is gold. This is literally gold, because now you don't have to really do your keyword research. You can literally use what YouTube's given you. This is how people are finding your channel already. It's proven, so why not, you know, use the low-hanging fruit and just make a video. So you'll probably see me making a video on how to make money on YouTube without making videos. That's a very good keyword that I can use. It's proven to work on my channel, so why not do it again, right? So that's what I want you guys to understand, is that this method is extremely powerful and that you can get a ton of subscribers. I mean, I showed you that I literally did this method already, okay? And I do that every so often. One, because I want to improve my content. Obviously, when I first started YouTube, you know, 8 months ago, I was, you know, the content, the quality wasn't as great, right? So I'm always trying to improve my quality. So, you know, I'm improving my quality, and this is what people want to see from my channel, right? So hopefully that makes sense, guys. This is just one strategy I use to kind of blow up my channel. It's been growing very quickly, which is very cool to, you know, to have a channel grow like this, you know, in 2020 is really cool, right? Because it's harder to grow. But if you're doing the right things, if you're looking at the right analytics, the right numbers, you can definitely grow on YouTube, guys. I 100% believe that anyone can grow on YouTube, you know, starting today with 0 subscribers, zero views. So I'm going to be coming out with some more content on how to grow your YouTube channel, because I know that's very important to my audience, because, you know, obviously most of you follow me because I'm an affiliate marketer. I teach you affiliate marketing, but my main source of traffic is YouTube. And if you can grow your YouTube channel, you're going to increase your affiliate marketing sales. You're going to increase your leads, all that good stuff, right? So I'm going to be coming out with a lot of YouTube content in the future. Okay, so one last thing, I want to show you the last 365 days just to show you my most subscribed video if you guys are interested. But my most subscribed video, let's see here, is, yeah, it's TikTok marketing strategy. That's been my most successful video as far as subscribers. And yeah, that's good to know, because now I know exactly what people are wanting to look at, you know, as far as my channel as a whole, right? So anyways, guys, if you are interested in learning affiliate marketing and starting your online business, monetizing your channel correctly, click the first link in the description below. I'm going to show you exactly, it's going to show you exactly how to start a business if you've never started it, you know, from beginning to end. Okay, so click the first link, guys. It's going to take you through a page that I'm on. You're going to enter your email, and it's going to take you a 15-day challenge that's going to help you start your business. So anyways, I hope this video was of value, guys. Subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow on YouTube. Like this video. Give me a comment if you have any questions on this method, and I'll talk to you guys soon.